choreography of the bow here is really fascinating to watch. At first, you're starting at the very tip and you're going, on the next note, you're gonna go big bow. All the way to the frog. And then whole bow again to end all the way at the tip. So on and so forth. So this is kind of, this choreography comes back again and again and again and again. So it is a really good idea to just kind of take first maybe 2, maybe 3 measures and really just practice this over and over and over again until you get it, until it's really a part of you, a part of this experience. So make sure you really understand how this works before you try and tackle the whole thing. There's a few tricky moments when you have to make a shift into third position and to play the harmonic. It's not hard, just takes a little while to kind of get a hang of that. And be mindful and careful with up bow pickups when you have to pick up the bow. So again, the whole thing, the whole wrist, the whole team of fingers, gonna be very much involved, but especially the pinky, the thumb, the index finger, that trio will be just really, really very much engaged. And be careful, watch it, make sure the fingers are responsive, make sure they are flexible, and make sure you are working them to a degree at which you can play this and feel confident and feel comfortable playing it. There's not a whole lot. There's a lot of repetition here. There's not really a lot of new material he's throwing at us. Just basically a bunch of kind of same idea that happens throughout the text, maybe with slightly different notes, but it remains the same. You always have to come back to the tip and just do the whole bow and just really understand how to utilize the entire bow and use it for to your advantage. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I invite you to visit my website where you can find more information about the violin lessons online. Thanks for watching.